This innovation is about a new mechanism which, when adapted to perform as an engine, will result in a multi-fuel engine. It is a mechanism which leads to a development of a multi-fuel engine, which means an engine that can work on any fuel. Presently, an engine can either work on petrol, or if it is a diesel engine, it can work on diesel. But this particular mechanism, when used to make an IC engine, that is internal combustion engine, it results in a multi-fuel engine. I got this spark during my first class on IC engines when the professor was teaching about reciprocating mechanism. When he told that reciprocating mechanism is this, there is a piston, crank, I thought, why not? This is too cumbersome. This is a linear motion converted to rotary motion. Why not devise a new mechanism which uses only rotary mechanism, thus eliminating the excess cumbersome components and the parts of the features of the mechanism. That is how this mechanism got developed, and slowly it changed the basis of RVCR technology. The mechanism which I have developed itself is the novelty, because it was never available before. There have been many tries to achieve variable compression ratio, but it could not be. With this mechanism, you can achieve variable compression ratio. That's the novelty of this particular engine. This mechanism can be used for making IC engines, for making pumps, for compressors, for metering devices, in various applications. And also, when it is used in an engine, it can be used as a multi-fuel engine, whereby in a farm place where particular fuel is not available, you can change over the fuel to LPG, to CNG, diesel, or this mechanism can be used for cheap and very portable pumps, air compressors, and things like that. See, developing an IC engine by yourself, by one person, is a very difficult proposition, because it requires a lot of large infrastructure, lot of money, lot of funds. And being from the middle class, a service engineer, it seemed to be a very, very difficult proposition. But with persistent efforts and help from KSIDC, and at one point of time when the research could have broken down and I would have to go back to see, it was steps, help and funds which let the process continue of the development, and with persistent effort I could manage to reach to this stage where we have a pre-operative trials prototype based on the technology.